Welcome to the new podcast of Crispy Info. Recently, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister announced a $1 million prize for deciphering the Indus script, underscoring its importance and the potential Dravidian connections to the ancient civilization. In this podcast, we will know about the background of the Indus Valley civilization. We will also discuss about why deciphering the Indus script is important. We will talk about the key findings from the recent studies and the Dravidian hypothesis. We will also know about and discuss about the challenges in deciphering the script, recent initiatives, and global collaboration, and finally, the future direction of this innovation. So, let's start this podcast. We will talk about the background first. The Indus Valley Civilization, also known as the Harappan Civilization, flourished between 3000 to 1500 BCE, spanning parts of the present day India, Pakistan, and Afghanistan. Despite its significance as one of the world's earliest urban cultures, the Indus script remains undeciphered, limiting our understanding of its social, political, and cultural dynamics. Now, why deciphering the Indus script is important? So, it will help us to understand about the Harappan culture. The inability to decipher the script hinders scholars from providing a comprehensive picture of Harappan society, governance, and daily life. Unlike Egyptian hieroglyphs or Mesopotamian cuneiform, which have been decoded, the Indus script remains a mystery script. Now, there are cultural and linguistic connections. So, various scholars have linked the Indus script to Proto Dravidian languages, suggesting cultural continuity between the Indus Valley civilization and South India. The survival of Brahui, a Dravidian language in the Indus region, and Dravidian loanwords in the Rig Veda point to linguistic connections. The potential historical insights. So, decoding the script could provide insights into trade networks, religious practices, and societal hierarchies of the Indus Valley civilizations. It may reveal connections with the other contemporary civilizations like Mesopotamia and Egypt. So, what are the key findings from the recent studies? Morphological study in Tamil Nadu. A study by Tamil Nadu State Department of Archaeology found that 90% of the graffiti marks on pottery excavated in Tamil Nadu have parallels with the Indus script. These marks were categorized into 42 base signs, 544 variants, and 1521 composite forms, showcasing their potential evolution from the Indus signs. Now, cultural exchange hypothesis. Similarities in graffiti marks suggest possible cultural exchanges between the Indus Valley and South India during the Copper and Iron Ages. The presence of carnelian, agate beads, and high teen bronze objects in South Indian Iron Age graves point to trade links. Graffiti versus script. The study differentiates between graffiti marks on pottery and script on seals and objects but notes their common origins and undeciphered status. Now, we will talk about the Dravidian hypothesis. So, the Dravidian hypothesis argues that the Indus script represents an early form of Dravidian language. This view is supported by the structural similarities of the Indus script to Dravidian linguistic patterns, such as suffix based grammar, the influence of Dravidian substratum on Prakrit dialects, and Indo Aryan languages. However, scholars caution that while substantial linguistic evidence supports this theory, more research is needed to achieve a universally accepted interpretation. Now we will talk about the challenges in deciphering the script. So we have lack of bilingual texts. Unlike the Rosetta Stone for Egyptian hieroglyphs, no bilingual inscriptions have been found to aid the decoding of the Indus script. We have limited data. The brevity of Indus inscriptions with an average length of 4 to 5 symbols makes pattern recognition difficult. We have an absence of a contextual framework. Without understanding the cultural or linguistic context, linking the symbols to their meanings remains speculative. Now we will talk about the recent initiatives and global collaboration. So, international conferences, events like the centenary celebration of the Indus Valley Civilization's discovery in Tamil Nadu aim to foster collaboration among global experts in archaeology, linguistics, and computational analysis. Technological approaches, advanced techniques like AI driven pattern recognition and computational linguistics are being explored to analyze the structure of the Indus script. Historical comparisons, comparative studies with other undeciphered scripts like the Rongo Rongo of Easter Island provide methodological insights. Now, we will finally talk about the future directions of these kind of excavations. So, expanding excavations, further archaeological excavations in both Indus Valley sites and South India are crucial for unearthing more inscriptions and artifacts. Scientific analysis, radiocarbon dating, material analysis, and genetic studies of artifacts can provide a deeper understanding of cultural exchanges. From the multidisciplinary research point of view, the collaboration between the historians, archaeologists, linguists, and data scientists is essential to develop robust methodologies for decipherment. Thanks for listening to this podcast.